Example 3, simplifying expressions. So we are pretty much combining everything that we have done so far in chapter 3 in one problem. So first, before we can combine a 2n with a 6n, we have to take care of the fact that this quantity is being multiplied by -1/2. So we can't do parentheses first, but we have to do multiplication first. Because this has an n and this does not. So since one has a variable and one's a constant, we can't combine inside parentheses. So moving on in PEMDAS, we're going to multiply, which means we are going to distribute this -1/2 to the 6 and to the 4. So we have -1/2 times 6/1n plus 4 times -1/2, and I'm going to put that over 1. And so now we have -1 times 6 is -6. 2 times 1 is 2. Keep your n. And then 4 times -1 is -4. 1 times 2 is 2. And then now we bring this down. But we can actually simplify those fractions a little bit further. And so -6 divided by 2 is -3n. -4 divided by 2 is -2 plus 2n. So now I can combine like terms. So I'm going to combine -3n plus 2n, and I get -n or -1n because -3 plus 2. Those are different signs. We subtract, we get 1, keep the sign of our larger number, and keep our variable. So we have -n minus 2 as our answer. All right, so now we are going to take a look at this next example. So we have 6d minus 5. We can't do anything with that. So I'm just going to rewrite 6d minus 5. And then we have to take this -8, and we are going to distribute that to both things inside the parentheses. So -8 times 3/4 d minus 1 times -8. Bring down this first expression because we can't do anything with that yet. So 6d minus 5. -8 times 3 is 24. 24 divided by 4 because we have -24/4. And I'll simplify that in a minute, so I'll get back to that. And then -1 times -8 is +8. So let's simplify this fraction. So 24 divided by 4, we have negative. We keep our negative. And then 24 divided by 4 is 6d. And then now we just bring down everything that we haven't used yet. And now let's combine like terms. So once I box and circle, we have 6d minus 6d, so 6 minus 6. And just because there's a variable there, it's still going to be the same. 6 minus 6 is 0. We don't actually keep the variable there because it's 0. So we don't even have to write that. -5 plus 8, those are different signs. So we subtract, we get 3, and we take the sign of our larger number. So this whole expression just equals 3. So sometimes our variables cancel each other out. That's what happened here. So you are going to do the triads on your own, and then you'll check your answers with mine.